What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Mr. Random, and today I'm going to show you guys how to remove the engine cover, this bad boy right here, off of your Ford Crown Victoria, Mercury Grand Marquis, Lincoln Town Car, pretty much any Panther car that came with that engine cover. I'm going to show you guys how to remove it. All you need to remove your engine cover from your Crown Vic or any other Panther car is a 1/4 ratchet with an extension. Goes right here in that hole. And then all you literally have to do is just start unscrewing it. That's it. Now, if you want to install an engine cover on your Crown Victoria, it's very simple. This whole setup right here, yours should come with this screw that goes in right there, the one that we just removed. And that's going to screw into this hole right here on your throttle body. That hole right there. On some Crown Vics, the hole, there might be already a screw here. Take that bolt out and then position your engine cover right over that bolt, and then you just screw it on. You guys are going to see there's a cutout right here for your radiator hose, there's a cutout for your alternator, and then it's going to rest on these two brackets on your alternator. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you install and remove an engine cover from your Crown Victoria, Mercury Grand Marquis, or Lincoln Town Car. Short little video for you guys. Catch you on the next Hobo Cop modification. It's your boy Mr. Random. Take it easy.